Let's go, Colts!
Let's go, Colts!
Come on. Yeah!
Yay!
Let's go, Colts! Let's go, Colts! Let's go, Colts! Let's go, Colts! He's not doing it quite as much as he was last night at 2:30 in the morning. There we are.
Good job!
Yay! Yeah. Yeah. Did you just eat a good dinner? Ooh. Can you blink your eyes for us?
Look at Mommy.
Can you blink your eyes? Oh.
Good.
Dang. Ooh, that's a big kiss. Yeah. Logie.
Okay, turn it off because I'm gonna go get. I'm gonna get.
Don't
mad.
throw that on the floor.
Put it in your mouth.
Oh, yummy.
Good job.
Is that a Mr. Jam sandwich or is it a PB&J?
It's just grape jelly.
Ooh. Look at that grape on his. Don't throw that. Oh, it's stuck on his finger. Oh. I got it. Maybe or not. There we go. Sorry. Logan.